Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye, and welcome to my channel. Today, we have another Dooney Bourke unboxing. So let's go ahead and cut the tape, y'all, and see what it is. And if this is your first time watching my channel, as you watch it, if you feel like you would want to see more of my content, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are made aware each time I upload a video. Thank you so much to all of my returning subscribers and viewers. I really do appreciate you all. There we go. Made me work for it. All right, y'all. I see something that I like. Looks like Saffiano. Ooh. All right, y'all. So we got one and packing slip. We got accessory, y'all. So I'm gonna take everything out of the box. Oh, look, y'all, we got a sticker. This is, I think this is like the fall sticker, I believe. But I'm going to take everything out, you all, and move the box out of the way. All right, y'all. So where should I begin? I think I'm going to start with, I'll start with this one. Well, I'll start with this one. Here is the little lever. Oh, it's at the top. Here it is. All right, y'all. So this is a very, very pretty Saffiano satchel. And this is the actual Cameron satchel, and the color is natural. And y'all, I was kind of back and forth on what colors to get in this particular silhouette. I did share with you all, I have, and let me be sure it's all in the same frame. Give me just a moment. Okay, I had to make sure it was in frame. A few months ago, I revealed to you all the Florentine version of this bag. I have it in Ivy. Excuse me. So when I saw it come up in Saffiano, I figured that would be a good leather to also get this silhouette in, as well as a chance to get this silhouette in other colors. So this color, as I said, is natural, and it's in one of my favorite leathers, y'all, the Saffiano leather, and I will give you close-ups of it as well. If you haven't seen Saffiano leather before, and this is one of my favorite features of the Cameron satchel are the handles, how they put the little, I'd say it reminds me of like a little duck mouth, but I like that part of it. Instead of just straight handles, I like that feature of the handles on the Cameron. It does have the metal Dooney Bourke plate with feet. Beautiful stitching. I love me some Saffiano, y'all. As you see, the silhouette, it is very similar to the Zip satchel, but it does have attachments or hardware on each corner or side for the shoulder strap, instead of attaching to the handles like the Zip satchel does. And a close-up of the hang tag as well. And let's look inside, y'all. This is catching on the paper. There we go. And this is the shoulder strap. And it looks to be pretty wide, which is good. To give you an idea of the width of the shoulder strap in comparison to the handles. And it is attached to the key leash. And you all comment below, let me know if you have this particular silhouette, the Cameron silhouette, and if you do, what leather you have it in. If you have it in Florentine, and this is the dust bag that comes with because it is leather, or if you have it in a different material. I think it only comes in Saffiano and Florentine. I have seen a pebble grain satchel that looks like the Cameron, but I am not sure if it ever came in a pebble grain version or not. Or any other leather other than Saffiano and Florentine. So if you all know the answer to that, absolutely put that in the comments, because I'm not aware if it did or not. Or does. But when I saw these pop up, I was very interested in them, and they did offer different colors that the Florentine does not. As you see with the interior, the back side, it does have the leather Dooney Bourke patch there. Zipper with registration card and sticker, slip pocket, Saffiano trim on the slip pocket. With the key leash over here, and we do have the authentication label there. And then on the front side, just two slip pockets, big slip pocket, slim slip pocket. But the other colors that this comes in, you all, you'll see another one here in just a moment. I'm sure you can see it over there. But it does come in a darker version of this color, which is, I believe for Saffiano, is called amber, which I think is close to the color chestnut. If I'm not mistaken, it could be the same color, if not a little bit darker. So I thought about getting that that color, the amber color. I thought that was pretty. I believe I have a rosy in amber. But so a darker version of this in amber. It also comes in a dark blue, which is called marine in the Saffiano leather. And it also comes in tomato, which is not a deep red. To me, it's a very bright version of the red. And then as well as the next color, which I will show you here shortly. You all can see the full bag. And we'll let it sit here in the background while I open the second one. So this color, if you can't tell, as I said, the marine, it's blue, but it looks black. So since it was so close to black, I thought about getting the marine, but I ended up getting the black instead. And this is the label for it. The code for Saffiano, Black Cameron Satchel. And this is the same interior as well. The only difference inside, of course, is going to be the leather trim. it's going to match the exterior. So around the zipper pocket, you'll see, and the slip pockets, you'll see the black Saffiano leather instead. So we don't have to go too much into detail about it, since we just saw inside of the other one. Excuse me. Dust bag, shoulder strap. I probably have to this one from this end. Let's see. There we go. So the same, just different color, y'all. But I always feel like black, you can't go wrong with a black purse, and then natural as well, because natural is a lighter color, but it's an absolute, I don't think it's considered a seasonal excuse me, seasonal color at all. Neither is black. So just a quick look inside of this one also, so that you can see the different color, because everything else is the same. And go ahead and take this off. And if you don't know, I've said before in previous videos that Saffiano to me is more of a, more of a carefree leather, where you don't have to worry about so much as far as like scratches and stains and things like that. But to me, the shine of it, or should I say a light sheen, to me it just makes it look more dressy to me. So it can easily be a dressy bag or casual bag. And I was also glad to actually catch this accessory online as well. And these, you all, they have been on and off of the, and I ordered these from the, I believe I ordered these from I Love Dooney website. They've been on and off of there, and as well as the sale. So I'm not sure what colors are available now. But this one, I think this sold out pretty quickly, if I recall. And it's kind of come on and off of the website as well in different colors. But this is a Kisslock, or also I believe it's listed online as a large frame purse or large frame coin purse. And this of course matches the black. But inside of this, it does have card slots on each side. 3 there and 3 there. So it's really like a little cute mini purse. And I'm looking to see if I do have a little wristlet here. I carried this before, you all. One time I turned this into like a little wristlet, and I have a strap here to show you all. I actually have a tomato strap as well. So this is tomato. So if you are considering this in the tomato color, if it's still available, this is what the tomato looks like. As you see, it's not really like a red. It's very like a bright red, kind of bright, almost dull kind of red, like a tomato, I guess. But tomatoes come in different shades, so it's kind of hard to explain. But I was saying what I have done with this before, and it stayed on because I wondered if it would work or not, you all. I have used my little my Kisslock as a wristlet. So I pretty much just took like a wristlet strap. Let me see if it'll close. Yep. I took it in, I think I did it on one of my Greta print large frames. And put this little strap on here, you all. And you can use your Kisslock as a wristlet. Because you're not going to put too much, anything in here too heavy, I would say. So nothing that the weight of the wristlet would make it pop open. And as you see, it does take some effort to open and close it. So it should be pretty secure. So just a quick tip, if you all had or had not thought about using your Kisslock as a wristlet, it's possible. So if you have any extra wristlet straps, or if you have a wristlet that you're not currently using but you are carrying your large frame coin purse, you can use it as a wristlet. So, and then, I mean, if that's something that Dooney Bourke does in the future, if they do decide to put like an extra loop or something on the back to put the actual strap, that would be even better. And I've also thought about, I think Dooney Bourke may have had this years ago, but an actual purse with this silhouette, but a little bit bigger. So possibly 2 sizes. So maybe 2 Kisslocks length, I should say, to have it like a little, where you could put a crossbody strap on it, or a little short chain strap, and then a larger version Kisslock, even if it's the size of, or maybe a little bit smaller than the actual Cameron or Zip. I think that would be cute to have as a new silhouette. Or if you did have it years ago and I just didn't see it, bring a retro, should I say, bring it back as a Kisslock, an actual purse. So you would have that and not just the accessory itself. So that's something I would like to see. But in the meantime, since this silhouette is available, that's just a quick tip, you all, that you can carry your large frame coin purse as an actual wristlet if that's something that you wanted to do. But you all, that's it for this unboxing. Both of the Cameron satchels, one in natural and one in black, with the large frame coin purse also in black as well. I do have other natural accessories that will match this particular bag, but I did not have a black Saffiano large frame coin purse. So I was glad to get that with this order all together. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I look forward to reading you all's comments. Thank you so much for watching, liking, subscribing, and sharing. I really do appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. And as always, have a very, very wonderful day.